In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a text from Monday.com. If you've ever needed to quickly reach teammates right where the work lives, sending a message inside Monday.com is the fastest way to do it. We'll walk through a simple flow you can use on any board, and I'll share a few tips to make sure your message is seen and understood. First, head to the board you're working in. In this example, we'll use a board called Trial Management, but you can follow along with any board in your account. From your Monday.com workspace, open the left sidebar and select the board from your list, or use the search bar at the top to find it by name. When the board opens, you'll see your groups and items, along with columns that track status, owners, and other details. Make sure you're on the board where your teammates expect to receive updates, so your message lands in the right place. Next, click on the chat box to start chatting. On most boards, the chat lives in the Updates panel for a specific item. If you don't see it immediately, select the item you want to discuss, then look for the speech bubble or Updates section. Click into the message field, type your text, and press Enter or click Send. This creates an update that's tied to the item, keeping the conversation anchored to the work it's about. A few quick tips as you write. Mention people who should see your message by typing the @ symbol and their name. This sends them a notification and makes it clear who needs to act. Keep your message focused. State the context, the question or update, and the next step. If there's a file or screenshot that helps, attach it right in the chat so everything stays in one place. You can paste links too. Monday.com will keep them clickable for easy access. If your organization uses tags or consistent naming, include those to make searching easier later. Use replies to keep threads tidy. If someone responds, reply within the same update so the full conversation is easy to follow. And if your message is time sensitive, add the relevant date or time zone so expectations are clear. Avoid sharing sensitive information in your text. Use secure channels for anything confidential. That's all it takes. Open your board, then click the chat box to start chatting. With your message now attached to the item, teammates who follow it will get notified and can jump in right away. Practice this on a test item to get comfortable, then use it on your active work to keep communication fast, visible, and organized.